Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Yunez Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. For this week, I'll be planning out the week of April 5th through April 11th using this stunning kit called Love Song from Nikkiplusthree. It was her November limited edition kit, and everything about it is just beautiful. It is foiled with rose gold foil, and just the colors in it were stunning. So anyways, I'm going to speed you guys up, lay down the base, and then get back to you with the day today. I realized about midway through of me filming this, I was really zoomed in, and certain areas of my planner were just out of frame when I was laying stickers down, so you couldn't see what I was doing. So if I pan over something because it was out of the shot and you guys didn't see it, please leave it in the comments below and I will do my best to answer what it was that I did there. But anyways, starting off on Monday at first, and as always, I am just marking that I uploaded my plan with me. So to mark that, I am pulling in one of those vintage fancy labels from Bloom Paper Studio, some florals from the kit. The deco pieces are a mixture of Sadie stickers, honey inked, and letters from Lay. The planner is from Planning World, and the flourish is from Panda Bird Design. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I did go to the gym with a good friend of mine. I've been doing 2-a-days pretty much every single night because I go to the gym in the morning with my friend and then I go to the gym in the evening with my husband. Don't ask me why, but it's been kind of like a thing for me. It's been really helpful for like my mental health as well. For some reason, like whenever I go in there and I do my lifting in the morning and then my cardio in the evening, I'm like, okay, it's a good day. I'm good. I am well. But anyways, to mark going to the gym, I pull in a label from the kit. The dumbbells are from the Glitter Mama. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that I did a YouTube binge. So I pull in a scallop circle from Meg B Makes. The YouTube icon is from Bloom Paper Studio, and then I pull a bunch of deco pieces like garlands and stuff from Sadie Stickers. Then I wanted to mark that I cleaned my kitchen on this day, so I pull in a half box from the kit, a deco piece from Honey Inked, and then the little mop is from White Deer Stationery, and then I cap off the night by going to the gym with my husband and his bandmates. We do that every Monday. It's pretty cool. Okay, so jumping over to Tuesday, I wanted to mark my HIIT class and I pulled a ton of inspiration from Rachel at Gathered Plans on this one. I pull in this lace circle from Bloom Paper Studio and I layer it over top of a floral deco piece from Honey Inked. I cut it in half so I could kind of like have it peek out on the outside on either side. And then I layer some sparkle deco from Sadie stickers around the corners, and then the sports bra is from Miss and Meow. Then I wanted to mark that I hung out with a friend of mine on this day, so I pull in a label from the kit, and then the little lunch bag is from Crafts by Towie, and I just pulled that in to mark that we went and grabbed some lunch. Then I had to mark that I needed to film some workouts for one of my personal training clients. So I pull in another scallop circle from Meg B Makes, the camera's from Bloom Paper Studio, and the flourish is from Panda Bird Design. Then I wanted to mark that I had a personal training session. So I pull in another half box, some more florals from Honey Inked, and the little workout girl is from Fox and Pip. And then to cap off the night, I did go to the gym. I will say something that's bothering me as I'm looking at it now. Every time I mark working out, generally I like using the same icons, but for this particular spread, I don't know what I was thinking, but I pull in so many different workout icons throughout the spread, and I don't know. I thought it'd be kind of cool to like utilize my icons, but I'm looking at it now, I'm like, it bugs me that it's not all cohesive, but say la vie, whatever. Anyways, jumping over to Wednesday, I'm just marking my Zoom class using the 2 mini page flags layered together, the florals from the kit. The shoe is from the Glitter Mama, and the custom Zoom class script is from my mom. Then I am marking that I did a grocery run with my husband on this day, so I pull in another one of those vintage fancy labels from Bloom Paper Studio, some more sparkle deco from Sadie Stickers, the flourish is from Panda Bird Design, the florals are from the kit, and the grocery cart is from White Deer Stationery. I'm doing kind of like a staggering thing, so like on Monday when I posted publishing my plan with me, I used a label from Bloom Paper Studio, and then to mark my hit class, I pull in a lace circle from Bloom Paper Studio, and then on Wednesday, I pull in another vintage label. So it's like I'm staggering it. So like on one day, I'll use a vintage label, and then on the next day, I'll use a circle. You know, it's like a pattern, right? Right. It made sense to me. Anyways, then I wanted to mark that I got some Happy Mail on this day. So I pull in another label from the kit. The mailer is from the Glitter Mama. The Happy Mail script is a custom that my mom made. And then I am, again, kind of staggering the deco here because you'll see I did the same thing on Monday with the dotted garlands and the sparkle deco, but that's just to mark going to the gym with my husband. And then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that we've been binge watching Ghost Adventures on Amazon Prime with Zach Bagans. My husband's obsessed with that show, and we love watching it in the evening time. So to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit, and the little TV is from the Glitter Mama. Jumping over to Thursday, I wanted to mark that I was up early on this day. So to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit, and the little alarm clock is actually from the icon sampler that came with the kit as well. Then I'm doing the same trick where I pull in that lace circle from Bloom Paper Studio and I layer it with the florals from Honey Inked. And I'm just marking that I was up super duper early. I was up at like 7 to go to the gym with my friend on this day. I needed to get my cardio in. But anyways, that sports bra is from Miss and Meow. Then I wanted to mark that I filmed this plan with me, or I started filming this plan with me. So I pull in another half box from the kit, some more vine deco from Honey Inked, the camera is from the Glitter Mama, and the film script is from Ice Cream Joe. And I also wanted to mark that I jumped on the trampoline with my younger brother on this day. Okay, my parents have a trampoline in their backyard, and yes, I am 28 years old, and my brother is 22, but we spent like 2 hours jumping on the trampoline together, and he was teaching me how to properly double bounce. And let me tell you, when I say that is some of the most joy and fun that I've had with my younger brother, I am owning it. And I highly encourage, if you have the opportunity to jump and bounce on a trampoline, get out and jump on a trampoline. Enjoy your life. Anyways, so to mark that, I pull in another scallop circle from Meg B Makes, and the little trampoline icon is from White Deer Stationery. I bought those because, like I said, my parents have a trampoline in their backyard, and my nieces and nephews come over. I'm like, okay, I can mark jumping on the trampoline with them. Haven't touched them until this day, and I was like, I am so happy to pull in this White Deer Stationery icon. Yes. Okay, jumping over to Friday, the first thing that I am marking is my Zoom class, and I'm just marking that the exact same way that I marked it on Wednesday with the mini flags, the florals, and the shoe from the Glitter Mama. Then I'm marking that I went to the gym. Of course, guys, I went to the gym 5 days out of this week, and then I did a home workout on Saturday, and I rested on Sunday. I don't know what's going on. I'm just like, the gym is giving me the most amount of clarity in my life. It's what centers me. It's also my job, so, you know. Anyways, then I wanted to mark that I hung out with my adopted grandpa on this day. So I pull in another scallop circle from Meg B Makes, and I do, you know, the same garland trick with the dotted garland or banners from Sadie Stickers, and all of the little mini deco pieces from Sadie Stickers as well, and the little house icon is from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark that I organized stickers because I filmed my sticker haul the night before, and you know how messy your room gets after that. So I organized and put away stickers. So I pull in another vintage label from Bloom Paper Studio, some florals from the kit. The sticker sheets are from Planning World, and the flourish is from Panda Bird Design. And then to cap off the night, I just wanted to mark that me and my husband watched some more Ghost Adventures. So I pull in another label from the kit, and the TV console is from Crafts by Towie. Okay, jumping over to Saturday, I actually got to sleep in on this day. This was the first day out of the week that I got to sleep in, which was fabulous. So I pull in another label from the kit, and the little sleep mask is from the Glitter Mama, and then the sleep in script is from Planner Kate. I pull those in quite a bit. I didn't realize. I've had the sheet for like over a year, and I'm just now starting to get drastically low. So I need to place another order or find another shop that has another font that I really like, because I don't know, I might be over this font here. If you guys have any like shop recommendations with like fonts that are like kind of curly and cutesy, leave it in the comments below. But anyways, the next thing I wanted to mark is that my sister-in-law called me on this day. So to mark that, I am pulling in more of these dot banners layered over the scallop circle from Meg B Makes. The circle and star deco is from Sadie Stickers, and the phone icon is from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark that I got ready on this day because this is like the third week in a row that I've twisted balloons, which I'm not mad about. I love twisting balloons. It's probably one of my favorite parts of my part-time job is twisting my balloons. But anyways, I wanted to mark that I got ready because I had a balloon gig over at a restaurant. So to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit, and the little makeup icon is from the Fox and Pip. Then I'm marking that I actually went and twisted balloons. So I'm marking that, you know, same way with the lace circle, deco from Honey Inked, and the tiny deco from Sadie Stickers. The little balloon dog is from Plan Fantastic, and the custom balloon gig script is a custom that my mom made for me. Then I had a little trouble with the section here because I was out of labels in the kit. This is an older format of Nikkiplusthree kits, and she didn't have as many like third boxes or labels as I would have liked. So I didn't want to put a half box in this section because I was like, okay, that would be too big. But I didn't have any more labels. So I had to look through my stash to find one that like matched the kit and everything. And I found this floral third box from Meg B Makes that I totally forgot that I had, and the green matched perfectly. And I was like, yes. So I pulled that in to mark going to the gym. But it kind of bugs me now because it's the only section that box is in. And the more I look at it, the more I'm like, it's pretty though. So I don't know, c'est la vie. Anyways, jumping over to Sunday, the first thing that I'm marking is that we actually went to church on this day, which is always a good time. Everyone wears masks and everything, but you know what? It's good being in the church building. So to mark that, I am pulling in another one of the vintage label boxes from Bloom Paper Studio, layered the little church icon that's from Crafts by Towie over some florals from the kit. And then the mini deco is from Sadie Stickers, and the church script is from Planner Kate. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I uploaded my planner haul, my planner sticker haul. Why in the world was that so hard to get out, Jen? You uploaded your sticker haul. Anyways, to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit. The little mailer is from Crafts by Towie, and the publish icon is, or the publish script is from Ice Cream Joe. Then I wanted to mark that me and my husband spent the afternoon over at his grandparents' house. We alternate like going over to my parents' house one weekend, and then the next weekend we'll go to his grandparents' house, just so that way we can divvy out our time on, you know, our family time on Sundays with, you know, with both of our families equally. So to mark that, I pull in another scallop circle from Meg B Makes, those dot banners from Sadie Stickers, and the mini deco from Sadie Stickers and letters from Lay. Next, I wanted to mark that I did some filming and editing on this night. So to mark that, I pull in a half box from the kit, some Vine Deco from Honey Inked, and this little desk scene is from Planning World, and the edit script is from Ice Cream Joe. Then to cap off the night, I did some pre-planning in my functional planner because I've actually got a busy week ahead of me. So I pull in a arrow from the kit, the little planner icon and supplies is from Rose and Tea Shop, and then those deco pieces are from Sadie's Stickers. These are the leftovers that I have from this kit along with the Viv Wiggle. I always have such a good time planning with Nikkiplusthree kits. I feel like I don't have to think. The stickers go down easily and I'm always happy with how the spread turns out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everyone is having a safe and wonderful week. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.